guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shirley and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I did this very glam Valentine's Day makeup look. You guys, it was a struggle because I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I did it and I think it looks good, right? This look for your Valentine's Day slay. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, continue to keep on watching. And I also want to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. So this year, whether you are gonna be single, you're gonna be booed up, you know, you're engaged, you're married, whatever it is, enjoy this Valentine's Day. Don't get all sad because you don't have somebody. Always remember, you have what? You have Jesus, and so do I, okay? If you want to see more of me on your feed, subscribe to your girl. What are you waiting for? Just do it. Subscribe down below and turn on your notification bell whenever I post so you can see more slay, more motivation, more whatever I post, okay? So without further ado, continue to keep watching the video.
So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and use is my Neutrogena Deep Clean face mask. I put that all over my face for about 15 minutes, you guys. It was so refreshing, like it was perfect. I'm like, I need to do this more often. And I put the rest of that was left over all over my face and my neck. And now we're moving forward towards eyeshadow. The camera did cut off, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys the colors. But I did go ahead and use Love Letter from ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I put that all over my lid, and then I went ahead with Venetian Red in the outer corner like I'm doing right now, and I'm just bringing that in. I'm blending it in forward. And then I went ahead with Buon Fresco. It's like a nice pale pink. It's really pretty. It's like close to purplish. It looks the same as the color of the palette. I love that color. So I went ahead and I put that all over my lid as well. And I'm also going back in with Love Letter and Venetian Red so that everything could be blended. I'm just checking my work because, you know, when you're working with eyeshadow, it's all about blending. And I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer because we're going to cut this crease up, okay? And it's very hard when you have like hooded eyelids because I'm just like, okay, how is this gonna show? But you know, I made it do what it does and we did it, okay? So I'm gonna use my NYX glitter primer and I'm putting that all over where I just put the concealer, right? And then I realized, girl, you need to put eyeshadow on first and then put the glitter liner, which is what I did. So I went back with Buon Fresco and I put that back over my lid. I'm blending it out again with Love Letter, Venetian Red, and Red Ochre. And now I put the glitter primer on again. Put the glitter primer on again. Oh no, I didn't do that. I went ahead with like some shimmer color first from the other palette, the Soft Glam palette. It's like this nice soft pink shimmer color, and I just put it over my lid. And I went back with Love Letter, Venetian Red, and Red Ochre just to blend, okay? And now I finally put the glitter primer on, and now I'm putting on this glitter. I got this glitter, loose glitter from Rainbows. I was there and I'm just like, I need a pink glitter. I didn't feel like going to Sephora or Ulta or anywhere else since I was already there, and I put it on. Well, I got it. It was like $1.99. So now I'm finished. I'm looking at like something's missing. I wasn't really happy with the turnout, so I went ahead and I did a wing liner, and it really definitely brought the look together, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin with the Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm putting that all over my face so that way the oils don't be out here acting crazy on Valentine's Day, okay? And for foundation, I'm using the Born This Way foundation in the shade Tiramisu. I know on camera it might look a little bit reddish, but like once I blend it out, it looks amazing on me, as you can see. And for concealer, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 420. 420 is my shade. This concealer is bomb, you guys. Okay, as you guys can see, my mouth was wide open because I was watching this fire documentary, the Festival of Fire thing that never happened, the biggest scam of social media. You guys, that thing was hilarious. Okay, it wasn't funny, but it was funny. You get what I'm saying? You gotta watch it. It's actually on Netflix. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Cosmetics concealer just to make it a little bit brighter because it was missing that. Because I think this foundation is close to the same tone as my concealer. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, loose powder, and hazelnut. I love that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bake. Okay, this is the part that the looks are getting all together. I'm contouring, I'm baking, honey. The face is getting beat. Okay, oh crap. No, but you guys, this was a struggle. Like, I struggled with this look because I didn't know what I was doing, but you know what, I'm gonna get there one day. I'm gonna get there one day. You know, practice makes perfect. And I'm gonna set my face with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And I'm setting my face with my Makeup Revolution setting spray in the shade, not the shade, and the one is called like Sport Fix or something like that. And I'm putting some blush, and now we're gonna put the lashes on, because after I put the lashes on, the look was coming together. Okay, it was coming together. So these are from Your Lash Bar. I don't know the style of it, but I really love her lashes, and she's also a YouTuber. So now for the down there, I can't. I'm losing my train of thought. So I'm using the same shades that I use up there. I'm using it for my waterline, and then I just went and used a pink eyeshadow and put that in my inner corner highlight. And for highlight, I'm using the ABH and Amrezy highlighter. I just love this highlighter, you guys. Like, it does it for me. This highlighter is like the best thing ever, okay? And I'm gonna go in with my lips. Okay, we putting the look together. This is a lip liner I got from my local beauty supply store, and the lipstick I'm using is from ABH. I forgot the name of it. I'll probably put it down below. I did not like the lip liner, so I had to go back with another deep brown lip liner to make it look better. And I'm using the Makeup Shayla and Color Pop lip gloss. It's called Drippin', honey, because I was dripping. And now we're gonna do it up close. You see how my face is looking snatched? Yes, honey. Yes, darling. But it's not completed without my wig. And if you guys want to know more about this hair and where I purchased it, I will have the link up there for you guys to click on, so you can watch it after this video, obviously. Yeah, so I'm putting my wig together. I'm putting my wig on. I just washed it. Do y'all see that lace? No, because that lace be melting, and I didn't really do anything. I just put it on my head. I am a lazy wig wearer. I can't say that word. I'm a lazy wig wearer. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Lotta Body mousse just to make the curls pop more, and just, you know, wherever the hair is looking frizzy, it's gonna tame it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's my Valentine's Day look, honey. Let me tell you, I was serving looks, okay? Looks, LEWWKS, honey. But yeah, and of course I gotta get my collarbones that are non-existent. I'm going back to keto after this, I promise. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.